Hello and welcome to Free Mind Motivation. Today we're going to be discussing 10 tips on investing in the stock market. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, these tips will help you make smart investment decisions and build wealth over time. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Start early. Tip number 1. Start early. The earlier you start investing, the more time your investments have to grow and compound. Don't wait until you're close to retirement to start thinking about your finances. Start building your wealth today and watch it grow over time. Tip number 2. Do your research. Tip number 2. Do your research. Make sure you understand the companies you're investing in, their financials, and their competition. Do your due diligence and make informed investment decisions based on the facts. Tip number 3. Diversify your portfolio. Tip number 3. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across a variety of companies, industries, and assets to minimize risk. Tip number 4. Invest for the long term. Tip number 4. Invest for the long term. Don't try to time the market or make short-term trades. Focus on long-term investments and let your profits compound over time. Tip number 5. Use dollar cost averaging. Tip number 5. Use dollar cost averaging. Invest a fixed amount of money into the market at regular intervals, rather than trying to time your investments. This can help you avoid market timing and build your wealth over time. Tip number 6. Keep emotions in check. Tip number 6. Keep emotions in check. Avoid making investment decisions based on fear or greed. Stick to a well-thought-out plan and resist the urge to make impulsive decisions. Tip number 7. Stay disciplined. Tip number 7. Stay disciplined. Stick to your investment plan and resist the temptation to make frequent changes. Stay focused on your long-term goals and resist the urge to make short-term decisions based on market movements. Tip number 8. Educate yourself. Tip number 8. Educate yourself. Read books, attend webinars, and educate yourself on the stock market and investment strategies. The more you know, the better decisions you'll be able to make. Tip number 9. Consider using a professional advisor. Tip number 9. Consider using a professional advisor. Consider using a professional advisor to help guide your investment decisions and manage your portfolio. A professional can help you navigate the market and make informed investment decisions. Tip number 10. Stay patient. And finally, tip number 10. Stay patient. Investing in the stock market is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay patient and focused on your long-term goals, and avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market movements. And there you have it, 10 tips on investing in the stock market. Remember, investing in the stock market involves risk, and it's important to understand the risks involved before making any investments. Consult with a financial advisor if you're unsure of how to proceed. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Free Mind Motivation for more videos on personal finance and wealth building.